Every day, around the world, millions of people struggle to get the TV remote. But thanks to genius kid inventor Joel, one robot is about to change everything.
Kids invent stuff.
Billions and 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 billions.
Don't you hate it when you can't find the TV remote? Alexa, turn on Joel's tank. Alexa, activate the turret. Alexa, stop the turret. Alexa, activate the catapult. Thank you, Alexa. That was genuinely terrifying.
And billions and billions and billions and...
That catapult is powerful. Let's see what it can do outside.
So we've come to a field to see how far Joel's tank will actually fire. Let's go.
Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Alexa, stop. So we've switched to a remote control because Alexa can't connect to the Wi-Fi in a field. Alexa, shut up.
Alexa,
stop.
To the internet. Take a look at the help section.
Alexa,
in
shut
the
up.
Alexa app.
Shut up.
Hello. Yes, we're firing TV remote. I'm ready.
Let's do this. It's going, it's going, it's going. Catch, 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 catch. Really?
So close.
Chocolate.
Give me the chocolate.
This is gonna go terrible. Chocolate to the face.
Next. This is quite good fun. I'm just going to eat chocolate.
What chocolate bars do you want?
All of them.
I have no idea what's gonna happen. This is why I studied engineering, so I can spend my time firing chocolate bars from a catapult in a field at another engineer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the world's first robotic chocolate firing catapult. Aiming, aiming, aiming. Ooh. By the GoPro. GoPro!
That thing is vicious. I am stood very close to it. We've loaded it up with cereal.
And I have the remote! The world's first cereal firing robot catapult tank.
Can we just clarify? The aim of this is for me to catch some of that in my mouth.
3, 2, 1, go!
I like my cereal high velocity.
Joel's robot tank has been awesome. We've fired TV remotes, we've fired chocolate, and we've even fired cereal.
A massive thank you to Joel for his amazing invention idea, and thank you to Autodesk for allowing us to do crazy things like this.
Thank you guys, and if you want to see more crazy kids inventions brought to life, check out our channel, subscribe, and hit the notification button to find out when we release another video.
So, we'll see you next week.
Cereal time!
Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.